Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I am going to teach you math subject. For that, open your math textbook, page number 94. Fill in the boxes. Here we have given some number here and we have to find out and write down in the boxes the tens and ones place of the number. Okay. One has been done for you. एक आपल्याला करून दाखवलेला आहे. What is the number is this? This is number 65. And number 65, 5 is on ones place and 6 is on tens place. 6 tens and 5 ones becomes number 65. In this way you have to solve this remaining example. The second part कसा आहे 97 number आहे. So in number 97, 7 is on ones place. So write down 7 number in this box and 9 is on tens place. So write down 9 number in this box. 9 tens and 7 ones become number 97. Okay, अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला हे 2 remaining example solve करायचे. Then the next step is आता इथे आपल्याला दुसऱ्या पद्धतीने करून दाखवलेला आहे. ओके 6 tens and 4 ones equal to 60 plus 4. 6 10 means 60 and 4 1 means 4. It means 60 plus 4. त्याच प्रकारे इथे दुसरे पहा 7 tens and 3 ones. 7 10 means 70 70 and 3 1 means 3 आणि इथे यांनी कशाचा साइन दिलेला आहे प्लसचा साइन 70 plus 3. Then you have to solve these two remaining example. Okay, 8 tens and 9 1 means 80 plus 9 and 4 tens and 2 ones means 4 tens means 40 and 2 ones means 2. 40 plus 2. Okay, and now the third step is आता इथे आपल्याला काय दिलेला आहे टेन्स आणि वन्स प्लेसचे नंबर दिलेले आहे. आपल्याला तो नंबर फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. 9 tens and 3 ones becomes number 93. 8 tens and 2 ones become number 82 because 2 is on ones place and 8 is on tens place. Okay, then again you have to solve these 2 remaining example. To solve these all remaining example in your textbook. Next question is match the following. One has been done for you. आता आपल्याला इथे काय केलेलं आहे करेक्ट मॅच आपल्याला काय करायचे फाइंड आउट करायचे आणि त्यांना काय करायचं लाईन ड्रॉ करून मॅच करायचं. एक आपल्याला करून दाखवलेलं आहे. काय आहे 7 tens and 6 ones. 7 tens means 70 and 6 1 means 6. 70 plus 6 equal to 76. इट मीन्स हे पाहिजे आपल्याला यांनी मॅच करून दाखवलेलं आणि सेम दुसरी मेथड 70 plus 6 equal to again 76. Then next example is 6 tens 8 ones. 6 10 means 60. Okay, and 8 1 means 8. 60 plus 8. So find out 60 plus 8 here. Yes, this is 60 plus 8. 60 plus 8 equal to 68. So where is 68 number here? Yes, this is number 68 to match both of pair. Then third is 5 tens and 9 ones. 5 tens means 50 plus 9 1 means 9. 50 plus 9. So where is 50 plus 9 in this row? Yes, here. So 50 plus 9 equal to 59. So find out 59 number in this row. या row मध्ये 59 number कुठे आहे? Yes, here. So match this both. In this way you have to complete these 2 remaining example and match the correct number. Okay. Then on the next page, how many? We have to find out how many here. Count and fill in the boxes, then add. Here we have give eggs here. So we have to count and fill the boxes here. So how many trays here? Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 trays here and each tray have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 eggs. So how many tens here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 tens here. It means 7 trays of 10 eggs each and 7 loose ones. And here we have seen 7 loose. So 70 plus 7. Then write down the 70 number in this box. So here there are this is 2-digit number. So write down 0 on 1's place and 7 on 10's place, 70. And 7 is 1's. So write down 7 in this box. So we have to add there. So 0 plus 7 आपण रूल पाहिलेला आहे. कुठल्याही नंबरला जर 0 सोबत ऍड केलं तर सेम नंबर काय येतो, आन्सर येतो. सो 0 plus 7 equal to 7. And हा 7 as it is write down करायचा. So we get the answer 77. It means 70 plus 7 equal to 77. Let's take another example. There are bunch of bananas here. So how many bunches of here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bunches here. And each bunch have 10 bananas. So how many tens here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens here. So 5 tens means 5, 0, 50. So write down 5, 0, 50 here. And we have to add. Addition करायची आहे. So sign of addition is plus. And there are 3 loose ones. Loose bananas. So write down 3 here. And the same number write down in these boxes. So 5, 0, 50 here. So write down 0 on 1 place, 5 on 10's place, and 3 is 1's. So write down 3 here. Rule आपल्याला माहित आहे कोणता आहे. So 0 plus 3 equal to 3. And 5 as it is write down करायचा आहे. It means 50 plus 3 equal to 53. Okay, in this way you have to find out the correct answer of this remaining example. Okay then, bye kids.